Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're diving deep into a topic that might ruffle a few feathers, but in a good way, I promise. I'm talking about how to successfully ignore women using Stoic principles. Now before you toss your smartphone out the window, hear me out. This isn't about being a jerk, it's about emotional resilience and self-control. Let's get into this. First, let's break down Stoicism. If you're not familiar, it's this ancient philosophy from Rome that's all about maintaining a cool head while life throws chaos your way. Think of it as your mental armor, like a Jedi fighting off the dark side, but with less lightsaber action and more inner peace. Alright, here's the deal. We've all been there, caught up in our feelings, or getting a little too excited about someone. But Stoicism teaches us to take a step back and assess what's really happening. So how do we ignore distractions, like overwhelming feelings toward women, without turning into a hermit? It's about emotional control, my friends. Step one in this epic journey of ignoring is focus. Think about what truly matters in your life right now. Work, hobbies, personal growth, those should be your guiding stars. If you catch yourself thinking about a girl too much, redirect that energy. Maybe pick up a new book, start that workout you keep putting off, or binge watch that series everyone's talking about. Grins. You're not just avoiding distractions, you're investing time in you. Next up is detachment. Stoics believe in observing our emotions without letting them control us. So when you feel that urge to text or check up on someone, pause. Acknowledge that feeling and let it drift away like a cloud. It's okay to feel excited, but don't let that define your day. It's about finding balance. Another powerful Stoic tool? Mindfulness. This bad boy teaches you to stay present. Start your day with 5 minutes of meditation or mindfulness exercises. Whenever you feel your thoughts wandering to someone else, bring yourself back to the moment. Notice your breath, your surroundings, or even that cup of coffee you're holding. Or maybe it's something stronger, I don't judge. So there you have it. Ignoring women using Stoic principles isn't about shutting people out. It's about building a solid foundation in your life that doesn't wobble every time someone cute walks by. Remember to focus on your goals, practice detachment, and stay mindful. And who knows? You might just find that embracing your inner Stoic makes you more attractive in the long run. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What's your stand on Stoicism and distraction? Let's chat. Catch you in the next one.